Hi, I'm Zeb Bianchi, Director and Head Designer of Bcompact Sydney, Australia. I'm going to run through an unboxing video of a package, which is a stair or a ladder. Okay, so this is a typical Bcompact stair or ladder package. These are made from MDF material and made specifically to size and fit exactly your package. We also reinforce packages with glass fiber tape, but the first thing you must do is inspect the outside of the package for any major issues. Take photos and record everything as is. So the next step is to take a sharp knife and open the package. Glass fiber tape requires that knife, otherwise it will not break. Careful not to damage the product inside. Just remove what you can. And take your first photos and video of the contents. You'll notice that everything is packed quite tightly. This is to ensure that there's no movement within the package. The boxes are made specifically, as I said, to squash everything inside, become a solid package, and everything is protected in that way. Okay. I'd say the next step would be grab something that is a little bit protective, e.g. some cardboard or some carpet. Lay it down next to the package itself and just start unpacking everything to make sure everything inside is perfectly fine. You'll find that all the treads will have numbers on them, which will correspond to the stringer section when you start assembly completely. So don't be scared to disrupt the order. You should be able to find everything within the instructions and make sure everything goes together quite simply and easily. Now this product we're unboxing is a stair. You can tell because it has the wider treads and the wide sections up here. And you'll also notice that on one side it's quite dull and one side is quite shiny. That's the anti-slip coating on one side of the treads that you walk on. Oops, still attached to the part. This final step is already attached, pre-assembled with the counterbalance system, spring mechanism. We also have handrail mechanisms. And all the other bits and pieces, screws, bolts and nuts, with labels upon each one and also the contents completely. This has a handrail, which is in two parts, fully wrapped and bundled. And then we have our stringer sections. Fit there for now. And finally, package material. Final section is the main sections of the stringers, which you can see. I'll just open up as well. Box completely. Here and here. Now that we have that totally open, this is the full contents of the package. Seeing your spring, your cord attached in factory and set to that tread. Some spacer blocks which you can use for spacing. You can cut these down to specific widths and thicknesses to actually assemble and attach to the stringer when it's going for installation on a curvy wall. You have some more at the other end. Up here. Some more. But basically that's your full package contents. You can see everything. We have 2 handrail mechanisms, split design handrail tube that connects together, all your bolts, nuts, some filler with inside the package, which is the color matching for this particular product, all the screws that are required, labeled, as well as your contacts. All the pins for the hinge points within the treads, all your treads, 4 parts of stringers which go together with these puzzle joints, which are also labeled. You can see here. A goes to A, B goes to B, and a full set of instructions with high detailed pictures that will cover the whole installation process.